Sure.
Okay, we are good. All right.
Okay. You have to like count me in or something.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We don't live there anymore. I wonder if they'll find a piece of paper in the floor. Soon you're cutting off your hair, and I'm lying to your face. There's something in the air that we'll be trying to replace. But please, please, don't listen to me, 'cause I don't know what I'm saying. Please, please, don't listen to me, 'cause I don't know what I mean. Now you've pinned me to the wall, just like all those times before. You're making me feel small, and I'll be begging you for more. And I'll try to open up if you promise you will too. There's something in my head that's masquerading as the truth, and I knew that it was fake, but I bought it anyway. Sometimes you have to hope that things are gonna stay the same, stay the same. We're reversing, but we don't wanna look in the rear view. Mirror your expressions with delusions of grace. Excuse your aggression for the cracking on your face. I pretended not to hear when you said you couldn't breathe. There's nothing you can do to get me back onto my knees. And I'm pulling out my hair, and I'm sharpening my thorns. This has to be a side effect, the price of being born. So please, please, just listen to me like you know what I'm saying. Please, please, just listen to me like you know what I mean. Turn around, go back home. Turn around, leave alone. Push it down to your bones. We're getting older, but we don't wanna look in the rear view. You're getting older, but you don't wanna say it, do you?